For this activity, we need 2 A4 size sheet, 1 graph paper, some color pens, a glue, 1 scale and a pair of scissors. Now, using pen and scale, we will draw square grids on this graph paper. After drawing the graph paper, it will look like this. I have already prepared these squares. The first one is a 1 by 1 square. This is 2 by 2 square, 3 by 3 square, 4 by 4 square and 5 by 5 square. Now using scissor, we will cut all these squares. So how we have to cut these squares? We'll leave 1 square space around each square grid. After cutting, these squares will look like this. I have already prepared these square grids. See, it will look like this. Now I will paste these square grids on a A4 size sheet. After pasting the square grids, the sheet will look like this. Here we will calculate the square numbers, and I have also prepared an observation sheet. Here we have 3 columns. In the first column we will write down the number. In the second column we will write the square of the numbers, and in the third column we will write the patterns, number patterns. Now we will calculate the square numbers. First we will write 1 square. We have to find out the square of 1. So we will write 1 on the top, 1 in the right column. Now we will multiply this. 1 multiplied by 1 equals to 1. Now we have to write the sum of the number here, but here we have only one number, so we will write 1 here. In this way, we'll draw the arrow. So we'll write here 1 square equals to 1. In the second column, we'll take 11 square. We'll find out the square of 11. For this, we'll arrange the numbers again in the top row and in the right column. Now we will multiply the numbers one by one. 1 multiplied by 1 equals to 1. Then 1 multiplied by 1 equals to 1. 1 multiplied by 1 equals to 1. And 1 multiplied by 1 equals to 1. Now we will add the numbers like this. We'll add this. We'll get 1. Now we'll add this one, 1 and 1. So it is 2. And here we have only one number 1. So we'll write here 1. So the answer is 121. So we'll write here 11 square equals to 1, 2, 1. 121. Similarly, in the third square, we'll find out the square of 111. Square of 111. So we will write the numbers like this: 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now similarly, we will multiply the numbers and we will get 1 in each box. Now we will start adding the numbers. In this diagonal, We have only 1, so we'll write 1 here. Now we'll start drawing the arrow diagonally. So we'll get 1 plus 1, it is 2. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 will get 3. Write 3. Now 1 plus 1, it is 2, and here it is only 1. This time our number is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So we'll write here we will find out the square of this number, 1111. Square of 1111. So we'll arrange the number like this and we'll get 1 in each box. And we'll add in the same manner. So we'll get 1. Here we'll get 1 plus 1, 2. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 will get 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will get 4. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will get 3. And here again we'll get 2, and here we'll get 1. So the square of this number is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, we'll follow the same method here for the next number, that is 5 times 1. Okay. Write the numbers in the same pattern. Write 1 in each box, because multiplying 1 with 1 will always give 1. See, square of this number is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll write this in our observation table. See, our first number is 1. So we'll write here 1. And the square of the number is 1 square. Square of 1 is 1. In the second square, the number is 11. Square of the number is 11 square. And what number we are getting here? 1, 2, 1. The third number is 111. The square is 111 square. After finding the square, the number we are getting is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, in the fourth square, we'll write the observation. 4 times 1. Square of this number, and the number we are getting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. And in the last square, the number is 5 times 1. We'll write the square of this number. And we'll write the result. What is the result? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now children, you can see in this observation sheet that here we are getting a certain number pattern after calculating the square of these numbers. In this way, we can explore more such number patterns.